brother, how to reduce stress and anxiety. Wow, so these are like deep questions. I don't know how long I can stay on live for. Stress and anxiety. Okay, so let me think about this. What did I say? So one of the things I would say is that it's important to understand what are the things that trigger your stress and anxiety. So you'll find that there's times in the day when you're actually absolutely fine and you're normal and you're happy and you're well. Okay. And then there's other things and other times when you're not that. So you need to start to become a little bit more self-aware, and you need to start thinking about, what is it that actually triggers me? Like, I feel stressed. What are the things that stress me? So, maybe you're like, okay, you know what? This person stresses me. Maybe it's like, this time of day stresses me. This weather stresses me. And so it's about really understanding the triggers. And then it's about asking yourself, what is a reaction I could have instead of that? Right. And also then certain things, like I think the morning routine, for example, should really reduce your stress. Like if you wake up really late and then you're running to do the school run or to go to work or something like that, you'll find that it's a very stressful time. You feel anxious. You're like, every minute you're anxious till you get there on time. And so if you were to just wake up an hour earlier and then, take your time in the morning, light some candles and like have a really nice breakfast and do what you want, it'll be a very different morning. So I would say try and create rituals and routines which will reduce the stress and increase the happiness, increase these things. But also, like I said, be aware, start catching yourself out when you're feeling like that.